Hey there, space explorers. Welcome to Mini Mind Missions, the show where we take you on fun and exciting journeys to the far reaches of space. Today, we're blasting off on a thrilling adventure to Mars. That's right, the red planet. Buckle up, because we're flying aboard the Mini Mindcraft. And there are some serious challenges to face along the way. Ready to come along? Let's count down to blast off.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The first challenge we are going to face is escaping Earth's gravity. Gravity is what keeps us on the ground here on Earth. But to get to space, we need a lot of power. We will need the power of every one of you to blast us free from gravity and into space. You will need to run on the spot as fast as you can for 20 seconds. Great job, everyone. We've broken free of Earth's gravity. Now we can float in space weightless. What's this? There has been a major systems failure. Are you going to fix the power grid failure or fix communications? Do the movement shown to make your choice. That's right, if we fix the power, it should fix the communication system. When systems fail inside the spacecraft, sometimes the only way to fix the problem is to go outside. Alright, suit up. Oh no, where are all the parts to the suit? Okay, you have 15 seconds to find all these items, so make sure you memorize them. Now we are all suited up, let's head outside. Oh no, watch out, here comes a meteorite shower, and to make matters worse, there is space junk floating towards you as well. When you see the astronaut, make a floating pose. When you see space junk, duck, and when you see a meteorite, jump. What do you see? In the distance, there's the glow of a bright orange-red dot. That, my friends, is Mars. Mars isn't just any old planet. It's dusty, cold, and very mysterious. From the window of the spaceship, you can see Mars is mostly red. That's because its surface is covered with iron oxide, basically rust. This gives it that famous reddish color. That's why it's called the red planet. Touchdown on Mars. Wow, look at that red dusty landscape. Mars is a lot colder than Earth, and there's almost no air to breathe, so we'll need our spacesuits to explore, or we can send out the rover. Strike a pose to make a choice. Good idea, rover it is. Well done, astronauts. Welcome to your new home. Thanks for playing Mini Mind Breaks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures.